Good morning, you guys. We're inside of Dollar General, and I'm going to show you all two different scenarios that you can score on Saturday, April 12th. All you need is your phone, a few digital coupons, and you can save you a lot of money. If you all are new to couponing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I show you deals every single day on products that you use on a daily. Also, if you're not following my TikTok, Facebook, or Instagram, it is Coupon with Niche, and you can see a lot more videos there. But let's go ahead and get into two scenarios that you could do at Dollar General this Saturday using your 5 off a $25 coupon. For our very first item, we are going to grab the Dawn soap. It is $5.85, and we have a $2 off coupon that is attaching to this. And also, it is a 32.7 ounce bottle, so make sure you get the larger one because they do have two different sizes. Next, we are going to grab the Febreze Air Mist. It is $3.25, and we have a $2.30 coupon. Let me know, is the Berry and Bramble a good scent, or let me know what your favorite scent is. We are also going to grab one of the Febreze Small Spaces for $3.25, and we have a $2.30 coupon that is attaching. We are also going to grab one of the Tide Pods. They are the $9.95 bag. They have a $2 off coupon that is attaching. So we are going to pick up one of these. So here is everything that you all are going to grab on Saturday, April 12th. Now, if you want to switch out your scents or, your smells, you can do that. But these are the products that you need to grab, okay? So if y'all don't know me, I love me a calculator. So let's go ahead and get to calculate. And for our Dawn soap, we are looking at $5.85. For our Febreze Air Mist, we're looking at $3.25. For our Febreze Small Space, we're looking at another $3.25. And for our Skin Tints, we are looking at $6. For our Tide, we are looking at $9.95. So we are looking at $28.30 before any coupons are taken off. For our Dawn, we have a $2 off coupon. For our Febreze Air Mist, we have a $2.30 coupon. For our Febreze Small Space, we have another $2.30 coupon. For our Skin Tint Razor, we have a $4 off coupon. And then for our Tide, we have a $2.05 coupon. So we are looking at $15.65, but we do have a $5 off coupon. So that will make your total just $10.65 for all of these products. If you all score on this deal, just let me know in the comments. Just comment score, okay? But this is the first scenario. Let's go ahead and get into the second scenario because it's some of the same items, but we are just going to add some items that, like if y'all store don't have stuff, just replace it, okay? So that's what the second video or second transaction will be for. Like if you want to mix and match some of these items, you can. Your out of pocket may look a little different, but you can alternate your products. So for our second scenario, we are going to switch it up just a little bit. Now you can get the Skin Tint razors if you would like, but for my men, if you all want to get the Chic razors, they are $7, and we have that $4 off coupon. Next, we are going to grab a Dawn dish soap for $5.85. Make sure it is a 32.7 ounce bottle, but we have a $2 off coupon that is attaching. Next, we are going to grab the Febreze Small Space. It is $3.25, and we have a $2.30 coupon that is attaching. So we are going to grab one of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaners for $2.75, and we have a $1 off coupon. Last item, we are going to grab one of the Quilted Northern tissues. They are $9, and we have a $2 off coupon that is attaching. So just grab one of these. All right, you guys, so we try to switch it up a little bit with the second scenario, but if you're needing tissue paper, this is a really good time to get it. I'm going to go ahead and do the calculations to show you guys exactly how much you'll be paying on Saturday. For our first item, it is the Quilted Northern. It is $9. For our Dawn dish soap, it is $5.85. For our Chic razors, remember you can substitute those if you want, but ours is $7. For our Febreze Small Space, we are looking at $3.25. And then for our Clorox, we are looking at $2.75. So before any coupons, we're looking at $27.85. We have a $2 off coupon of the Quilted Northern. We have a $2 coupon off the Dawn. We have a $4 off coupon off of the Chic razors. We have a $2.30 coupon off of the Febreze Small Space, and then we have a $1 off coupon off of the Clorox. So we're looking at $16.55. but we are going to take that 5 off a $25 coupon, making our final cost just $11.55. So this is everything that you're getting for only $11. If you are new to couponing and you want to know how to score or how to save, make sure you continue to watch my videos. But this is a really good scenario that you could do. Let me know in the comments if you're going to do the scenario 1 or scenario 2, and I will see you all in my next video.